So I'm just gonna go right into the tapping with him. And you start right up here on his eyebrow and just, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared. This is scary. These fireworks, they're so scary. It's so scary. Why are they so loud? Why is it so loud? I really don't like all this noise. It's really stressing me out. I'm so afraid. I'm so afraid. I feel out of control. I just want to run and hide. I just want to run and hide. I don't like scary noises. They really scare the crap out of me. It really scares me. And I just like to hide. But I want to feel safe. I want to feel safe. Oh, that's right. I am safe. I live here. I'm surrounded by love. I'm so safe. Mommy loves me. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm protected. I'm safe inside my home. I'm safe inside my home. I'm safe and loved. I'm loved and I love and honor my choices.